Today I'm going to be riding my homemade cardboard boat until it sinks or capsizes. We're taking in water already. Maybe I've got to like stand up or something, I don't know. Oh, this water's so deep, look. This is the oar. It's that deep already. Oh. Look inside as well. Already taking in a little bit of water, so just to be safe, we're gonna throw the anchor in. Now it's a lot more safe. Bro, that swan is looking so menacing. Bro, this swan, he thinks I'm like sus or something, bro. Stop coming towards me. Yeah? Don't me, bro. Yeah, go. Scram. Yeah, that's it. Mumble to yourself. This is our neighborhood, not yours.
How should I go for that?
Just checking us out, bro. Who's gonna think this through? Hang on. Oh no. I'm so scared of something just grabbing me, bro. My queen needs to come a bit closer. Oh no. Yeah, guys, I don't. Wait. Why is it smelly? Well guys, I don't think that's gonna work. It's got too many gaps in it and the cardboard's not waterproof, which I didn't know before. Everyone else just love going to bed after a long, hard day of work. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment what you think, and maybe we should do it again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.